Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing and which stocks are buzzing in trade. So starting with obviously the benchmark indices, when you look at it, both the benchmark indices are surely trading in the green. Sensex not at its day's high, but still in the green, up more than 750 basis points for the day. Even the Nifty, it's trading above the 14,700 mark, and on the positive side, both up more than 1.5% in trade. Looking at the broader markets, we surely see that they are also growing in tandem with the benchmark indices, and surely the markets are trading in the green today. Now let's move at the stocks that are buzzing in trade today. So starting with TVS Motors as well as Eicher Motors, Tata Motors, all auto stocks have been in focus on the back of their auto sales numbers. TVS Motors, Eicher Motors, Tata Motors, all of them gaining post their auto sales numbers. TVS Motors sales up 19%. Eicher Motors sales did come in at 5,457 units, which was in line with the ET now expectations as well. And the stock is buzzing up as much as 1.5% in trade. Tata Motors also sales are up by 54%. Surely improvement that we're seeing coming in over there. So good growth also coming in for Tata Motors, and performance is good on the stock wise as well. Ashok Leyland, on the other hand, if we look at it, the sales are up by 19% on a year-on-year basis, but it is below the expectations, and that's why we are seeing some pressure coming in on the Ashok Leyland stock. It's down as much as 1% in trade today. Moving on to IOC, the stock is up as much as 3% in trade after the company has gotten an approval from the board for a capacity expansion at its Panipat refinery for the expansion, and the value is going to be of around 32,946 crore rupees. Now the expansion will be from 15 million tons per annum to 25 million tons per annum. So a good expansion coming in for IOC as well. Moving on to Acrysil, the stock is locked in upper circuit. It's up 5%. That is obviously, so the company has completed its capacity expansion in Bhavnagar, that's in Gujarat, and the manufacturing capacity for the quartz kitchen sinks is now at around 6,000 units per annum from previously 6 lakh units per annum from previously 5 lakh units per annum. So good expansion over there for Acrysil as well. Affle India also in focus after the company's board has approved a fundraising of around 1,080 crore rupees over the weekend, and this could be via shares as well as bond sales. So that's something interesting coming in for Affle India. Vardhman Special Cement Steels is also in focus. It's gained as much as 2.8% in trade after an upbeat outlook did come in from the company over the weekend. The company says that the Q4 performance is surely going to be better than the earlier estimates, as it has increased its product lines as well. So very, very interesting coming in over there. Now Bharti Airtel, on the other hand, has been under pressure today. It is down as much as 2.2% in trade, more than 2.2% in trade almost, after Jefferies has cut the Bharti Airtel's price to 600 from 675, but they've still maintained their hold rating. Now also the brokerage firm believes that Reliance Jio has introduced new plans that are lower than JioPhone's usage cost by 23% to 25%, and obviously while they are expecting delays coming in the tariff hikes, Jio has moved. This move has come in as a surprise and negatively and indicates that, suggests that Jio primary focus will be on subscriber gains as well. So obviously some pressure building in for the competition, and let's see what it ends at on the day for Bharti Airtel. At least today the stock is under pressure as of now this afternoon.